Do you always find maths confusing or hard no matter how hard you try? Or maybe you forget the formulas, especially when you need them the most? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to teach you the easiest way to solve maths and actually enjoy it using simple tricks that work. I'm Tommy Sin, and in this video I'm going to turn your maths fear into maths confidence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be announced when I upload my next video. So let's begin. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve quadratic equation using formula method. But before I start by solving different kind of questions, I want to show you how we got the quadratic formula as minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a using ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's start. First thing you need to do is to take c to the other side. Then we are going to have ax squared plus bx equals 0 minus c. That's ax squared plus bx equals minus c. So the next thing we are going to do is to divide all sides by the coefficient of x squared, and the coefficient of x squared is a. So I don't divide here by a, divided by a, divided by a. A will cut a, and we have x squared plus bx over a equals minus c over a. Next thing we are going to do is to add the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. Don't worry, it sounds big, but I'm going to break it down by saying we bring out the coefficient of x, which is b over a, times it with 1 over 2, and add the square to both sides. Times this guy together, we have b over 2a. Then we're going to square it. Then this guy right here, we're going to use it to add both sides by saying x squared plus bx over a plus open bracket b over 2a all squared equal minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. So this guy we're going to take it out because we've done what we want to do with it. We're left with, if this guy join together, we have x plus b over 2a all square, because we have square here and we have square here, equals, if you square this guy, we have b square over 4a, because the square of b is b square, the square of 4 is, the square of 2 is 4, and the square of a is a square, minus c over a. What we're going to do next is to get this guy out of here. And to get that guy out of here, we have to square root both sides. So if you square root both sides, this guy and this guy is gone. We have x plus b over 2a equals square root of b squared of 4ac minus 2 over a. What you need to do next is to find LCM of as squared, and a. So that's x plus b over 2a equals square root of LCM is 4a squared, and 4a squared plus 4a squared times b squared, that's b squared minus, if you divide 1, we have 4a times c, that's 4ac. You are going to do the square root of it. And do the square root of this guy, we're going to have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over square root of 2, 4, square root of a squared, e. Square root of 2 is 2, square root of 4 is 2, sorry. So we're going to take this guy to meet this guy, and for that to happen, to be like this, x equals, when this plus crosses the other side, change to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X equals, find the LCM, which is 2a minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And that's how it's done. Very simple. So remember, maths becomes simple when you understand it, not when you memorize it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it to someone who finds maths difficult. Comment below the topic you want me to cover next. I will always share for comments. I'm Tommy C. helping you make maths easy one after the other. And don't forget to subscribe for easy every week easy maths lessons. Bye for now.